Salman Khan's second movie Maine Pyar Kiya is an essential moment in the history of Indian cinema. The movie launched his outstandingly victorious career, which has further resulted in some of the biggest hits of Indian cinema. The long-standing journey of this superstar has been studded with controversies galore, and here are some of them. The hot-headed star barged into a party, opened a bottle of coke and simply poured it over Somi Ali's head. Well, this ended their 8-year-long relationship that began when the 15-year-old girl from Miami flew into Mumbai to confess her love for the star. As his love towards Ash turned into an obsession, the former Miss World turned actress officially issued a statement to the press in which she confirmed that the relationship with Salman is finally over and the actor was harassing her. The aftermath of Aishwarya, as his former flame started having her alleged affair with actor Vivek Oberoi, Salman Khan got it going in the true Bollywood baddie style. An angry and hurt Vivek dished out to the media by stating the murder threat and details of the 41 phone calls from Salman Khan. One night, the drunken actor drove his car into a bakery, which resulted in the death of a person and injuries to 4 others who were sleeping on the pavement. It's been 11 long years now and the case is still open. Salman Khan and his Bollywood friends were shooting for Hum Saath Saath Hai in the desert state of Rajasthan when he went and shot 2 chinkaras. The antelopes are an endangered species and are of religious significance to the people residing in that state. The case is still now in court and then sentencing might result in imprisonment for the actor. The horrifying terror attacks on Mumbai included attacks on top 2 hotels in Mumbai. In September 2010, Salman gave an interview to a Pakistani channel in which he indicated that Pakistan wasn't responsible for the entire series of events. The backlash from the public and the political parties forced the actor to give an apology. Salman was not amused by a sarcastic comment from the director-producer Subhash Ghai, and so he gate-crashed into a party. Blows were exchanged before Salim Khan, who is the father of Salman Khan, intervened and made the actor apologize for his actions. Both have since made up, and Ghai even made a movie titled as Yuvraj starring Salman Khan in lead, which unfortunately bombed at the box office. The duo have now teamed up as filmmakers for the official remake of Ghai's musical hit movie Hero. Salman has always had a reputation of a womanizer even in his earlier age. He was quite often in the headline due to his affairs, breakups and obsessions. It is being said that once he broke up with the actress Sangeeta Bijlani to be with Somi Ali. Well, pretty understandable, we would say. The feud between Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan started way back in 2008 at Katrina Kaif's birthday party, and since then neither actors revealed any details surrounding the infamous fight. However, some sources have said that SRK made a snorting comment about Ash and then urged Salman and caused the conflict between one's best friends. However, now the two are not best of each other but have let bygones and be bygones.